Hello, this is a little video about how to send multiple variables out of a function. Sometimes you want to create a function where you do a lot of things inside of the function and you might want to get a lot of data from that function. So the only way I know how to do that, because you can only pass out one variable, is to create a string of variables and have them comma delimited and pass them out as if it might be an array. So what I've done is I'm giving you an example of how you can create an array of data and then send it out of a function with a lot of variables as an array, and then parse the array and display the array as small as the element as independent elements. So I'll go ahead and show you that it works, and I have the code back here to prove that it works. Um, so I'll go ahead and just press run. And what you'll see is this is my data input right here. That was what was going to be the input of the array that was coming from the text boxes. And then here's my array elements right here. So here's element 0, which was text box 1, element 1, element 2, and then element 3. And to prove that this works, I'm going to show you again by just saying hello. And now I'm going to prove that it works by pressing the run button one more time. And I see it works. So it works really well. And again, these are text, but you would have a function that would, do a lot of work for you that might pull out multiple variables. I'm just simulating that by using text boxes. So this is the backing code for it to prove that it works. And all you have to do is type it in just like this. Just, create a new project. This would be your namespace for your project. And you do, all of this stuff in here. If you want to try it, I'll just go down and let you get all the code so you can try it and see that it works. And you see you have line numbers over here, so it's only 68 lines of code, but some of these are just comments, so it's just a comment. You don't really have to type that part, but it'll prove that it works. And this is just something you would add to your code if you wanted to pass out multiple variables. Experienced programmers, they know how to do this, but this would be for like someone who's learning. But as you can see, it does work, and I'll just show you one more time that it works like that. So it works. Have a good day.